Well, hey there, I am so happy it's summer, and I'm gonna make one of my favorite summer things. Whenever it heats up, this is always one of the first things I make every summer. And it's easy and fun to make. It's Dorito Taco Salad. Let's make it. You start by cooking up some meat. Add some taco seasoning to that. Just a touch of water. Let that cook, and then I'm gonna let it cool down. Time to chop up some iceberg lettuce. Put it in a bowl. Put some tomatoes in there. Chop some red onions and put that inside. Black olives. And some red kidney beans. Next comes that meat. And some Catalina dressing. Next comes a good amount of cheese. The piece de resistance is nacho cheese Doritos. You need to crush those up. Pour them in and mix it together. Dorito Taco Salad. The perfect summer treat. It even tastes better the next day. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. No matter what I put in my salads, it always turns out too dry. This is a problem that needs addressing.